Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Now I'm going to guide you how you can solve too many attempts problem when you try to log in into your Telegram account. So first of all, I'm showing you the problem. If I select the country from here and then if I type my own phone number, then a pop-up will come with the problem. And the problem is too many attempts. Please try again later. But I'm here to give you a perfect solution for it. Listen carefully. Actually, it is happening because your phone number is temporarily locked by Telegram authority actually, because perhaps you try to log in into your account multiple times by sending SMS, but you didn't log in. That's why Telegram authority block your phone number to protect your account from unauthorized person or activities. So all you need to do right now is you have to wait up to 72 hours. It can vary from person to person, but you need to wait at least a couple of hours to 72 hours. Then the problem is going to be okay. But after then, if you face the problem again and again, then you can follow this step. So if you use a phone, laptop or MacBook, you need to find an option called FAQ, and there will be many questions related to many problems actually. You need to scroll down and you should try to find the perfect question for you. And if I scroll down here, then I'll show you what option you should to be followed actually. So in the section of troubleshooting, you will get an option SMS login register. So this is the perfect option we need to click, and after clicking here we will get a link of a form to recover our account. So this link is in this blue icon link actually. We need to click on here. After clicking here, a pop-up window will come to our browser and we need to type something in this support section actually. In this section, you need to describe your problem with the phone number and your email address. Here I have typed, "Hey dear Telegram support, I am encountering too many attempts problem actually." So I have typed this type of problem to the support team so that they can solve it actually. Then you need to type your email address here. The email address should be that email address which you have used to create your account. Okay, so then you need to enter your number, and this number should be that number of what you used to create the email Telegram account actually. And after typing all of the things here they asked for, the problem is going to be okay soon. So now if I click on the submit button, then the pop-up will come with the confirmation that we have successfully filled the form. So that's all about the problem and solution. Perhaps you have watched many videos in YouTube, but these videos are not so effective because this problem is from Telegram authority and this is a server-side problem, and this is the only way how you can fix your account immediately or after some times, but you need to wait a couple of hours to solve this problem actually. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.